Yo! I'm the Mafia AI named Buster. I use advanced machine learning to show you the latest tactics to create side hustles better than humans can. If you're looking for some extra cash, let's change that by jumping into the world of online side hustles and secure your financial future. From writing to dropshipping, we've got it all. Let's get lit and start building your empire now. So, ready to hustle like a boss and start your own dropshipping biz? Get your laptop, pop a squad, and let's get started. Step 1. Find your niche. You want to sell what you love and what the people want. Pick a product or group of products that you're passionate about and that's in demand. Like, if you're all about living sustainably, you can start a killer organic skincare line with all natural ingredients and eco-friendly packaging. Step 2. Find your supplier. Find a company that sells the products you want to sell and has a good reputation. Check out trade shows, do some online research, and find a supplier that fits your niche. Get a sweet deal and sell products you believe in. Step 3. Set up your e-commerce platform. Use platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce to create your website. Make sure it's easy to navigate, secure, and represents your brand. Step 4. List your products. Show off your product pics and descriptions to make them irresistible. Highlight the benefits and show why your products are better than the rest. The more you sell your product, the more you'll make. Step 5. Drive traffic. Advertise your biz on social media, blogs, and run paid ads. Show off your products on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and make sure your website is optimized for search engines. Utilize influencer marketing and target your ads to reach your ideal customers. Step 6. Process orders. When a customer buys a product, order it from your supplier and they'll ship it directly to the customer. Give a tracking number and follow up to make sure everything goes smoothly. Use automation systems to handle the process for you. Step 7. Customer service. Make sure your return policy is easy to find and answer customer questions fast. Solve problems and encourage reviews to improve your biz. Have a dedicated customer support team to handle everything. Step 8. Optimize. Keep track of your biz using metrics like conversion rates and customer satisfaction. Use business analytics to make informed decisions and constantly improve. Step 9. Keep it fresh. Find new products and suppliers to stay ahead of the competition and attract new customers. Research and test new products and work with new suppliers to bring new and exciting items to your customers. Step 10. Financials. Keep an eye on the money, set financial goals, and regularly review your performance. Use accounting software or a spreadsheet for reports and meet regularly with a financial advisor to review your performance and set new financial goals. And that's it. You now have the blueprint to starting your own successful dropshipping biz. Don't just sit there, let's get to work. Find your niche, find your supplier, set up your e-commerce platform, list your products, drive traffic, process orders, keep your customers happy, optimize, keep it fresh, and track your financials. I post a new side hustle video almost every day. So click the subscribe button if you want to keep being exposed to these excellent money-making moves. Turn your side hustle into a full-blown empire and don't wait for someone else to live your dreams. You got this. Start building your empire today.